welcome to week 57. Okay, so kind of going down a bit of a Moroccan vibe this week, I guess. So we have got some harirra, that's like a sort of Moroccan stew with some lovely spiced Ludlow beef, like a tomato and olive kind of salsa-y type thing that we're going to put on top, and some Ludlow Farm shop yoghurt. So it's a pretty easy starter this week. So in goes the harirra. Just on a low heat. In goes the meat. And there. Delicious. Okay, so that's bubbling. You just want to simmer it for a little bit to make sure that meat's all hot throughout. So the soup's good and hot. Some nice Worcester tomatoes here. Put that yogurt on. A little bit of olive oil. A little bit of pepper on the yogurt, make it look a bit more fantastico. And there we have a delicious pudding starter.